I'm Ryan from iThemeland, bringing you unmatched WordPress and Woocommerce expertise. This tutorial is about creating new coupons. If you have already installed the Woocommerce bulk coupons editing plugin, there is no need to go to the Woocommerce coupon pages. Instead, you can easily create as many coupons as you want and simply assign them to your products directly from the main page of our plugin, which would only take a few seconds. Alright, to create new coupons in the Woocommerce bulk coupons editing plugin, you need to go through these 3 simple steps. Step 1, opening the main page of our plugin. To open the main page of our plugin, you need to navigate to WordPress dashboard, IT bulk editing, and Woocommerce. Step 2, opening the create new coupon pop-up page. To make things easier for you here, we designed a specific button for creating new coupons displayed in the main page of our plugin. If you click on the new coupon button, you can add as many coupons as you need in Woocommerce. Alright, step 3, defining the number of new coupons. Once you click on the new coupon button, you'll see this pop up and you can type the number of new coupons to be added. For example, we are going to type 5 in the text box and click on create. Now, as you can see, 5 new coupons have been added to the coupon table. Our plugin will assign different coupon codes to the new coupons automatically, but you can change them yourself by clicking on the coupon code column of each one. You can also use inline edit or bulk edit or bind edit to change the values of each field related to the new coupons. For example, to assign those 5 coupons to some products by bind edit, we need to first click on bind edit, mark the checkbox next to 5 new coupons that we added before, and then click on product button of one of the selected coupons. Now type the letter A in the selection list of products and then go ahead and choose your preferred products. Now click on Save Changes to make the plugin assign those coupons to the selected products. And right here, you can see what's changed for yourself.